May defense ulit kami, guys.
Next na sila and next na yung group na.
Saan naman to? Entry. Ito si Alfred. Yan si Alfred. Group nila yung nag-represent yun. Ayun si Alex. Tapos na kasi sila. Ayan. Yan, nakaka-chill-chill na siya. Ito po ay ano namin, exam PT sa 3 subject.
So, it's so hard. And talagang nagtatanong sila isa-isa sa members. So nervous.
Anong masabi mo sa defense nyo?
It is what it is, pero like it could have been better.
Oh. Yun. Kagroup niya si Alex, guys. Ikaw, ano masabi mo sa defense nyo?
Ang kate.
Oh, puta.
Kuya, ika daw muna. Kuya!
Hi, guys. Nasa faculty po kami ngayon kasi si Alex ay mag-early out because she's so
Itchy.
So itchy? Makati. Makati siya. Masyado, sobra na siyang nangangati sa kanyang katawan because of we don't know what. And she's here.
She's here to learn what type of...
Yes, we're gonna update you na lang, guys.
Bye, guys. Hey, Alex, say bye-bye.
So, guys, nasa Tempus kami right now kasi we're waiting for Alex's parents. And itutour kayo ni Coco sa aming Tempus. May design na siya, by the way. Yay! Tour mo sila. Tour mo sila dito sa Tempus.
Tempus? So,
yes.
in this area, you can see, of course, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. And they're from biggest to small.
Next.
Let's go!
Ano ka to? Oh, dyan lang.
Ang ganda lang ako.
Oh.
Ang ganda lang. Just in front to stars, you can see the temples, of course, and it symbolizes a family of 3.
Totoo ba?
Family of 3? Orasan yan?
Orasan daw yan.
Oo, pero look on. A family with a member of 3. With a 3 member. A member of 3. Anyan. And it's not working sadly. Because, you know, the school. Okay, so up here you can see the front of the building. And it's designed with like an entrance because it's Christmas season na, guys. And you can see some gifts like and then you can see so many students na kasi it's so init. And they're like galaw ng galaw. Ano si Sarah? Star. Yan, it lightens up when the time hits 6 p.m. So ito yung picture namin in grade 11. Ayan. Maganda. Ayan. Guys, alam niyo ba kung bakit nandito ako? Kasi ako ang star ng Fidelis. Someday. Parang saan pag video ako? Stop filming me. I'm going to... Sing guys, sing. Dumb ways to go.
So many dumb ways
To die.
palang ako. Nasundan na ni Toto. Grade 6, labing 2 na ako. Kasing dami ng pamilya ko. Hindi na ko sa mga kami mahal niya. Pare ko, ba't di kayo nagplano? Sana hindi gutom at nag-aaral pa. Alagang malusog ang buong family.
Mabusog pala yun.
Alagang... Update, nagbunita na po kami na for Christmas party.
Tingnan mo yung bag ko.
Bunutan! let's go. Tapos na. Sino na bonut mo?
Si John.
Ha?
Si John.
Ikaw, sino na bonut? Ikaw, Chloe, sino na bonut mo?
Baka mapanood niya. Ayoko, baka mapanood niya.
So guys, nasa jeep na kami and kami lang yung passenger. And dapat pupunta po kami ng plaza but
Opo.
sabi nila, sa amin na lang. So let's go.
Hi guys.
Guys, we are walking na papunta sa house namin. And we bought some, nasa na?
Alay na.
Yung Bennett's Dali. Ang tanga nyo. Ayan. Ayan, nandun sa bag niya. Sisig and all. And, tusok-tusok. Woo! Ang haggard ko na guys, pero kakain na po kami na sisig. I cooked the sisig.
I cooked with...
So guys, we're going to taste na the sisig. Go, one. Takit yung sisig muna, wala mo ng kanin. Para matikman mo lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Up.
Manghang.
Masarap.
Hindi, hindi siya maanghang. Grabe naman yung tolerance mo sa anghang. Ang pakababa.
Ano ba yung dilis na manghang?